This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preheating the oven to 200 degrees C and greasing your dish so it's ready when the enchiladas assemble. While that heats, toast cumin and coriander briefly. Freshly ground spices give brighter aroma and flavor. You sauté onion, garlic, and ginger until translucent, then add 300 g minced paneer or chicken to build the savory filling. Once the meat or paneer browns, season with salt and a touch of chili. This creates the foundation you'll fold into tortillas. Once the filling is ready, you make a fusion masala sauce. Simmer 400 g crushed tomatoes with 1/2 cup yogurt and 2 tablespoon oil so acidity balances creaminess. Then stir in 1 tablespoon garam masala and 1 tsp turmeric to deepen the curry flavor. Let it reduce slightly so it coats and doesn't drip. You spoon roughly 1/3 cup filling into each tortilla, roll tight, and arrange seam down in the dish. Make sure to reserve some sauce to pour on top before baking. You pour the remaining sauce evenly over the arranged rolls and top with about 1 cup grated cheese to create a golden crust. Once in the oven at 200 degrees C, bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the cheese browns and the sauce bubbles, which signals the fillings and tortillas are heated through. After resting briefly, garnish with cilantro, sliced green chilies, and a squeeze of lime. If the center seems undercooked, make sure to cover with foil and bake an extra 5 to 8 minutes to finish safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.